Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to hear footsteps better in Valorant. Basically the key into winning in Valorant is actually taking a spot and hearing the footsteps of your enemies. If you don't really can hear the enemy's footsteps, you can't really know where they can be and where they are. And that means you'll probably lose the 1v1s and an enemy can come to you from behind and kill you. So how we can actually prevent that with hearing footsteps better. So basically guys, let me just go ahead and go to play and highlight suggest you to do the same thing and then go to a practice range and open range. So from here guys, I will show you how I can hear myself and how I can hear my footsteps and the difference between each kind of sound in Valorant. So basically Valorant's volume has like too many details that you can even like for example make the footsteps higher, make the voice comes lower and etc. So this means just pick jet. So as you can see here, as I'm walking, it's actually like pretty high and I can hear myself. I can hear myself actually really clear. And as you can hear now, the sound that you hear of the PC or of like my device or even your devices, it's gonna be kind of low. So how we can make it higher? First of all, I will need you guys to go to your PC and make like the volume really high. So as you can see here, I will make my volume high at 100. I just made up. I just make my volume higher using my headset, so it didn't show in your screen. And now what I'm going to do is go basically to audio, and then this overall volume make it higher as possible. Sound effects volume make it as high as possible, and voiceover volume make it low a little bit. Video volume is not really necessary, and all of these make them low. So now as I'm walking, it's gonna make even more sound, and basically you can hear even like footsteps from here, and people like you can hear them from there. So whenever person passes this way, you will be able to hear his footsteps better, and like so you will be able to aim at his spot, and you can like sneak into him or do whatever you'd like. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.